Today we will see how to run MySQL database locally with the help of the Docker. First we need to have Docker installed in our machine. So we can open the terminal and verify if Docker is installed. We can type docker-version to view the Docker version which is current available in our machine. If you get the output, that means Docker is installed in your local machine. So to run the MySQL database, first we need to go to the browser and go to the Docker Hub website, and we need to find out the MySQL image. So we can go for the official Docker image. Here to run, we will have to run the Docker image. We will have the command like how to run this. We can copy paste, and I just use some slight modifications in the existing command. This is the command which we copied now. I have added few attributes like what is the port we need to map. 3306 is the default port for MySQL database, and I also specified the database name with the test. How I find out the MySQL database as environment variable is in the official Docker image. We can find it under the environment variables. Like I have just mapped this MySQL database name. I just specified the value with test database. So I am running this MySQL in the detached mode. If you see in my Docker desktop, already my MySQL image is currently available in my Docker desktop. So it will directly fetch it from the local. I have just downloaded it because it is of 1.2 GB. It will take some time to download it from the Docker Hub registry. So we can execute this command directly in our terminal. So if we copy paste and execute this, so now our instance is running. Our that means container is running. This is the container ID. We can verify it in the containers. This is the same container ID which we are able to see it in our terminal after executing the MySQL database Docker image. So to test this connection, we can download a lightweight software which is nothing but Sqlectron. Here you can download the GUI version of it. Since my system is of Apple M1, Mac M1, so I am just downloading it the ARM64 version, the DMG file. So I have already installed it in my system. So I just open that and we will try to connect this database. For this we need to click on the add, and here we can specify any name, my mysql-db, and the type of the database is mysql, and the host address, since I'm running it locally, I'm just using the local host. By default the username we did not specify it in the environment variable, so by default it will take it as root, and my mysql password is mysql-root. I have initialized, and I'll just click on the test connection. That means our test connection is successful and we can save our database connection. Now we can click on connect and we can see our database. We can execute our queries accordingly. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you. You can stop the instance while going to the Docker desktop and click on stop. So now the instance will get stopped. Thank you for visiting my channel and viewing this video. Thank you for your support.